What if you could own a piece of the biggest companies in Côte d'Ivoire, Senegal, and Benin, all from a single stock market? Well, you can. Welcome to the BRVM, the shared stock market for 8 West African countries. But if the process of starting seems confusing with all this talk of SGI and securities accounts, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through the entire process, step by step, in plain English. Let's unlock this market together. Welcome to the Investment Nerds, your personal guide to investing in the African stock market. What is the BRVM, the Mall of West African Stocks? First, what is the BRVM? Think of it as a giant regional shopping mall for stocks. Instead of this mall being in one country, it's a shared mall for 8 countries in our region, like Senegal, Côte d'Ivoire, Burkina Faso, etc. And instead of selling clothes or food, the shops in this mall are big, well-known companies like Sonatel in Senegal or Ecobank across the region. When you buy a stock on the BRVM, you're buying a tiny piece of one of these companies, your 3-step starter guide to the BRVM. So, how do you get into this mall and start shopping? There are 3 key steps. Step 1. Find a guide. Contact an authorized intermediary. You can't just walk in. You need a licensed guide called an authorized intermediary. The most common type is an SGI, Société de Gestion Intermédiation, which is basically a stockbroker. How to choose one? Look for low fees, good customer service, and whether they have an office or app that's easy for you to use. Step 2. Get your entry pass. Open a securities account. This is like getting a membership card for the mall. You'll open a securities account with your chosen broker. This account will hold all your stocks. You'll also need a cash account linked to it, which holds the money you'll use to buy stocks. You'll sign some forms, and they will explain all their fees, which are regulated by the financial authorities. Step 3. Start your engine, fund your account, and place an order. The BRVM is a cash market. This is a vital rule. It means you must have the cash already in your account before you can buy any stocks. No buying on credit. Once you have funds, you tell your broker what to buy and at what price. They execute the order and send you a transaction notice, your official receipt, proving you bought the shares. The golden rules for a BRVM beginner. Before you spend your first franc, here are the golden rules from the pros. Only invest sleeping money. Only use money you won't need for rent, bills, or emergencies. The stock market can be volatile. Diversify, don't put all eggs in one basket. Don't throw all your money into one company's stock. Spread it across different companies and sectors, e.g., banking, telecoms. This way, if one fails, you don't lose everything. Know your limits. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Start small and learn as you go. Take profits sometimes. If a stock you own has gone up a lot, it's okay to sell a portion to lock in that profit. What to expect? The paperwork and fees. Your broker will provide you with a quarterly statement showing your portfolio's value and all your transactions. At the end of the year, they can give you a tax statement for your dividends and capital gains. Remember, you will pay fees. This includes brokerage fees for the broker's service, transaction commissions for the exchange. Taxes. Always ask for the full fee schedule up front. So to recap, 1. Find an SGI, stockbroker. 2. Open a securities and cash account. 3. Fund your account and start investing following the golden rules. It's a process, but it's the gateway to owning a piece of West Africa's biggest companies. The BRVM carries investment risks. You are solely responsible for your investment decisions and should consult a qualified professional. Now, I'd love to hear from you. For everyone in the comments, which West African country on the BRVM are you most excited to invest in? Côte d'Ivoire, Senegal, Nigeria? Share your thoughts and let's build a community of learning. If this demystified the BRVM for you, please like this video and share it with a friend who's also curious about investing. Subscribe for more straightforward financial guides. Let's go.